Hello everyone. Well, looking really nice today and for the rest of the work week in Northwest Indiana, but changes are coming for the weekend. So let's just look at the next 7 days in Northwest Indiana. Today, our average high 76 degrees. Normal for this time of year would be high temperatures in the low 60s. And look how we are going to stay in the mid to upper 70s probably through Saturday. If I had to pick the warmest day by a little bit, it is looking like tomorrow. It looks like the average high is 78. I also got to mention today breezy but windy tomorrow. Guess 30-35 miles per hour. It's actually because of those windy conditions with winds out of the southwest. It's going to pump our temperatures up a little bit more, and that's why I think Wednesday going to be the warmest day, but very little change here. It's like an average high of 77 on Thursday, 75 on Friday, and 75 on Saturday right now based on the latest timing of our next cold front. If you're wondering about our record highs, those are in the mid to upper 80s. So no, we're not talking about record highs when we have our highs in the upper 70s, but definitely above normal for this time of year. But cold front is coming, as they often do this time of year. Now, it looks like it's going to be right over us in the region right now, early evening Saturday. So that's why we go from the big change from Saturday to Sunday. Our average high Saturday 75, but 53 on Sunday. And I actually think Monday is when we bottom out, just a high of 51 in the region. So that's the temperatures. Now let's talk about rain. Completely dry through Thursday. I've got to mention a few showers starting to pop up late afternoon Friday, and I do think continuing to see a few showers for Friday night, but not much. Don't cancel your Friday night plans. Even Saturday morning, probably still just isolated showers, but Saturday afternoon, transitioning to the scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, it's all going to depend on the exact time the cold front gets here, but we're thinking Saturday evening for when it's right over us, so that's going to be our best chance of showers. And yes, I expect some thunderstorms with this cold front as well. So bottom line, looking ahead to the weekend, if you're trying to decide about going out Friday night or Saturday night, Friday night definitely look like the better night to go out than Saturday night. For Sunday, I think the best chance of rain is going to be in the morning. Now, I think the chance for storms is just Saturday evening, but decent chance for some scattered showers into Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon looking drier than the morning hours, but not completely dry. I still think we're going to have some pesky, lingering, isolated showers Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and possibly into Monday as well. So that's the next 7 days, but now let's look beyond the next 7 days. Now we're looking 8 to 14 days out, April 18th through the 24th. And I do think it's going to be a slow recovery from Saturday's cold front, because what the long-range models are indicating, now that we can't pinpoint, and to be honest with you, these long-range models are not very good at all at pinpointing exactly when we warm up, exactly when we cool down, exactly when it's going to rain. But what they are good at is giving us a general pattern of what to expect longer out, 8 to 14 days out. So April 18th through the 24th, expecting cooler than normal conditions. It looks like it's going to be a slow recovery from Saturday's cold front, because it looks like there's probably going to be a secondary cold front that comes in. Can't pinpoint exactly when, but sometime during April 18th through the 24th, another cold front coming in. So we're going to start to warm up, but then it doesn't look like a really strong one, but basically another cold front coming in to keep us from getting back to above normal temperatures. So limiting the recovery from the first stronger cold front. And so the big takeaway here is enjoy the warmer than normal conditions this week, because it doesn't look like we're going to be this warm again anytime soon. Now that said, looking at rain April 18th through the 24th, actually not seeing a lot of it. I did mention that secondary cold front coming in, but it's probably going to run into a pretty stable air mass, so it doesn't look like a big rainmaker for us. So actually looking drier than normal April 18th through the 24th, which is welcome news after such a wet winter.